These are Tater Tech banana bots. Right now, they know nothing. Today we are going to teach them how to steal bananas. This is the lab, and here are the rules. Bots are able to rotate, move forward, and attempt to grab an object in front of them. They see using raycast distances, 5 of them to be exact, and the goal for today is to grab the banana. The bots will learn using reinforcement learning. Therefore, their actions are either rewarded or penalized. The future generation bots will act upon these sets and create better and better behaviors. First iterations are strange but expected. They are all very stupid, and all attempts at banana grabs are, well, glitchy to say the least. They learn to grab, but they tend to want to drop it immediately, and then grab it again. To fix this issue, the bot should eventually learn how to hold onto it themselves. Therefore, more steps are needed. At this point, BananaBot is holding the banana securely, but so far he hasn't performed any turns to avoid the walls. To encourage this, I've added random rotations at spawn to force him to learn that walls are the enemy. This will also improve his ability to see the banana, so more training is needed. To my surprise, the Armada arrives, and unfortunately, BattleBot is not yet ready to take them on in the Banana Battle Royale. Hopefully we can get him trained up and ready, but it's not looking promising. Okay, I'm actually sick of doing that voice, so we're just gonna do it in a normal voice for the rest of the video. After setting random rotations, the bots seem to be adapting well, but at this point it does manage to make a desirable turn towards the banana. Often it misses it entirely or just rams into the wall. Fortunately, 1 out of 10 will grab the banana and stand still afterwards. Whilst this is a promising result, we do want him to avoid the other bots for the Banana Battle Royale. So I'm going to add another bot with the same behaviours to the lab, and I'm hoping this will cause a little bit of rivalry and force them to play keep away with the banana. After 800,000 steps, they are gathering the banana perfectly, but because of random rotations, there are a few favourable bots that will grab it first. After that banana starts moving, the bot seems to get a little bit confused, but in some instances they will fight for it. I'm assuming after 1 million steps the bots will be better at understanding the concept of first in, first serve. We'll just have to see. After 1.3 million steps, they work almost perfectly. Well, as perfect as I want them to be. Their behaviours are somewhat unpredictable, and it's really enjoyable watching them try new things. For example, I was able to see sometimes they would share the banana, which is a really weird thing that I definitely had no influence on. The way the banana is programmed does actually allow both people to hold the banana, which was a silly thing on my behalf, but maybe we will see more in the Battle Royale. Unfortunately, my computer system dropped to 3 frames per second at this point, therefore I won't be continuing training and will have to put them in the Battle Royale scenario right now with a single banana. Welcome all to the Banana Royale finals. We are closing in on game time with some incredible finalists today, giving it their all in the quarterfinals last week. Among them, of course, Banner 12, following Stockton's son lost in space, still recovering from an injury given by none other than Soul Crush. Of course, Bite Size, and a fan favourite, Sterling McCheese, also on the red plate tonight. On the blue plate, starting positions is Mad Dog, happy fighting against Link in Description and Slenderbot, Fenton. Got Lil Jim there, just a peanut. Pork Savvy and Gaza, of course, showing promising results before we are just about to start. Referee Miguel Magon is standing idle. There's the whistle. Fenton is off to a great start. Not too close behind is Mad Dog, but Fenton misses an early take and Sterling McCheese sneaks into attack position. That's got to be the fastest take this season. Bite Size may steal here. There is a chance. We are quickly progressing to half points. McCheese almost guaranteeing himself a spot in the final 1v1. No one threatens that take. A first here in the Banana Royale, a clean sweep as Sterling McCheese is about to gain full points on the 20-second mark. That's 20 points there, and he guarantees himself a spot in the final 1v1. Incredible work. There seems to be a problem with the TMO though. Miguel has caught something. Apparently some off-time contact. We will get a replay soon to confirm. And there it is, the first hit. It's the second hit, that's definitely a red card. You cannot make contact after the whistle. And he has clearly done that. Ref's decision though. I think he goes with the red, obviously. Not the result that we wanted. Second round kicks off. Polk, Savvy, Fenton and Tickle Me Elmo wasting no time on the advance, but they missed the mark entirely. Stockton and Sun completely confused. Will anyone focus on direction here? Mad Dog, although slow, has the right idea, with Gaza slightly ahead. Mad Dog almost within reach, actually. This is looking pretty promising. Mad Dog, with the accuracy, he's got the banana, he's halting. This is quickly going to match Sterling McCheese's score, and we have our second finalist nearly. It's on the halfway mark. I don't think anybody can beat him from now. Mad Dog approaching 15 seconds. And we have our second finalist, fan favorite Mad Dog, without hesitation, making the stadium realize a winner is standing within their presence. The final round will begin without hesitation. Set up and ready. Mad Dog Blue against Sterling McCheese Red. 1 day of training finally paying off for these two athletes. There's the whistle. Sterling McCheese making a steady advance. Mad Dog slacking behind. McCheese closing in on the 5 meters. McCheese isn't showing any hesitation. He's craving a banana sundae. Mad Dog way too behind. Thinks this may be it. Sterling McCheese is going to take our first ever Banana Royale winner position. He is, as he makes the final take of 2019's official Banana Royale. I don't think the crowd was ready for such an underwhelming ending.